will we witness one of the greatest nonsense in the history of mankind. The destruction of the International Space Station due to the greed of the East and the West. We always talk about uniting nations for a better tomorrow, about exploring the mysteries of space, to find an alternative planet that could one day save humanity.
It's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind.
But humanity must first save itself before it can unite in finding Earth 2. Operating the space station is more complicated than other space flight endeavors because it is an international program. Each partner has the primary responsibility to manage and run the hardware it provides. Construction, assembly, and operation of the International Space Station requires the support of facilities on the Earth managed by all of the international partner agencies and countries involved in the program. These include construction facilities, launch support and processing facilities, mission operations support facilities, research and technology development facilities, and communications facilities. Launched in 1998 and involving the US, Russia, Canada, Japan, and the participating countries of the European Space Agency, the International Space Station is one of the most ambitious international collaborations ever attempted. The largest space station ever constructed, the ISS continues to be assembled in orbit. It has been visited by astronauts from 18 countries and counting. But is this international cooperation coming to an end? With the start of the war in Ukraine, relations between Russia, America, and the world have changed or deteriorated. The embargo against Russia has drastically damaged relations in business, communications, international projects, and more. This led to a worrying statement from Roscosmos chief Dmitry Rogozin. Do you want to destroy our cooperation on the ISS? If you block cooperation with us, who will save the International Space Station from an uncontrolled deorbit and fall into the United States? Rogozin said in one of his tweets. The head of Russia's space agency warned Thursday that new sanctions imposed on his country could have dire consequences for the International Space Station program. The ISS does not fly over Russia, therefore all the risks are yours. Are you ready for them? According to CNN, there are 4 NASA astronauts, 2 Russian cosmonauts, and 1 European astronaut on board. The Russian segment can't function without the electricity on the American side, and the American side can't function without the propulsion systems that are on the Russian side. It is not known how long this rhetoric will continue, and whether all this nonsense will result in something we will regret for the rest of our lives. An intelligent species cannot propagate a better world but do the opposite. We must put all inequalities behind us. We must decide once and for all what we want and where we aspire. The universe will exist long after us, and we can only despair without evidence that there was ever an intelligent civilization here.